Yo, just wanted to make a quick video off the cuff here, talking about put arbitrage, which is something that a lot of people notice but don't know what they're looking at, and they think, the end of the world is coming, but that's just not the case. So let's just pull up a flow feed for all $1 million puts. I just want to see stocks, so just regular stocks, no indexes, ETFs, and this is the whole slew of, again, $1 million puts traded yesterday in chronological order, reverse chronological order, that is. So this is the end of the day, the last 5 minutes or so. So let's take a look at some of these contracts that are being traded. So let's see here, low, the 260 put with the stock at 211. Let's take a look. So if it's flow, if it's real flow, we should see a change in open interest, right? Let's take a look, and no change in open interest. In fact, this specific low contract has had millions in premiums traded on a daily, thousands of volume on a regular basis. Just no change in open interest, and that's because it's put arbitrage. Let's look at the 240 put, kind of a similar story, not really used as much given the lack of volume. But I'm just going to click around to some of these other contracts here. LLY, stock trading at under 800. We have the 1020 put expiring this week. Like, what do you think? Like, yeah, 72 volume yesterday, no change in open interest. Let's just find a few more examples. Let's see here. So we got the Tesla, a whole slew of 400 strike puts expiring this week. Stock is trading at 317 yesterday at the time. So let's just click around. No change in open interest, a drop in open interest actually for that one. Just clicking around, no change in open interest even after 15,503 volume, literally no change. The Tesla 520 weeklies, these are used frequently for put arbitrage, as you can see. Millions in premiums, open interest doesn't do anything. This isn't real flow. All right, this is just, it's a complex trade between two market makers. It's a trade based on interest rates, the overnight interest rate, that is. I'll link a white paper somewhere that you can read a bit more about this specific trade. But yeah, this isn't real flow. Just look at a couple more just for fun. LULU 235 stock price yesterday. They're trading the 380 puts, the 440 puts. Like, again, no change in open interest. There's thousands and thousands of these types of puts traded daily. They have no impact on any stock prices, but they come up pretty regularly on people's screeners just because they default to, like, show me a big $1 million trade, right? They don't think about, does this actually mean anything, right? The target 150 put, target's trading at under 100. This 150 put that expires this week has been used in arbitrage for quite some time now. Again, millions in premiums, tens of thousands sometimes in volume in puts. As you can see here, like, effectively all all target put volume for like the last 2-3 weeks has been put arbitrage.